Okay. So let's wrap up. You mentioned that you knew that x plus 1 was related to Pascal's triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here are the numbers we got for x plus 2. So this was x plus 1. That's x plus 2. We didn't do to the 0, but anything to the 0 is the first power.
Yeah.
So anything to the 0 is 1. Then here's the first power. We remember we got x plus 2.
Yep.
Then we got x squared plus 4x plus 4. X cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. That's the one I forgot to do, but that's alright. Okay. So let's see, do we see any relationship
Well,
here?
I see something.
What do you see?
We're multiplying to get from this side to that side. We're multiplying 1 by 1, and we're multiplying this 1 by 1 and this 1 by 2,
Okay.
and then this by 1, this by 2, and that by 4.
Whoa. Okay. Do you see the pattern?
Yeah.
What do you multiply this one by?
1, then 2, then 4, then 8. Then 1,
and 2,
4, 8, 16.
Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute. So x plus 2 has a sneaky relationship to Pascal's triangle.
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
And it has a sneaky relationship to x plus 1.
Good.
But maybe, and that's because they're both related to Pascal's triangle,
Yeah.
but maybe the sneakiest relationship of all, and the most surprising, is it tells us how many shapes of different dimensions it takes to build these cubes.
And 4-dimensional cubes.
So, remember, this is what we thought we got
Yeah.
going from a 4-dimensional x to the 4th hypercube, however you would draw that, to one that was x plus 2 to the 4th big. And it said, oh yeah, I know what to do. Start with your 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 hypercube. Now you got to add on 8 cubes, then 24 squares, 32 lines, and 16 little blocks.
Wow.
Cool.
So how did this? What does this have to do with geometry? X plus 2 to the 4th.
Well,
It's algebraic.
Apparently nothing, right?
yeah.
What does this have to do with geometry? This is just a bunch of numbers where you get by adding the ones above it, and here you multiply by 2 every now and then. What does that have to do with geometry?
It tells
It's
you.
like nothing.
Nothing. What does the geometry have to do with geometry?
What?
A lot, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe.
But they're all related to each other.
What?
Somehow.
This algebra is related to this Pascal's triangle, which is related to this Pascal's triangle, which tells us all about the geometry.
What?
What?
Whoa.
So that helps us complete the following sentence. Math is
Crazy.
crazy, weird. Yeah. All right. Well, good job, guys. That's a neat relationship, and it's all from that cube we saw that someone put on the internet yesterday. Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job today, guys.